ओम भूर्भुवस्वः श्रीमहागणपते हिरण्यरूपां दक्षिणां समर्पयामि. Or may offer instead of dakshinarthya akshataan samarpayami. Mangalanirajanam artikyam. Light the arti either 1 or 3, 5 lamps. कदली गर्भ संभूतम कर्पूरम तु प्रदीप्तितम आरातिक्यम हम कुर्वे पश्यताम वरदो भव. Move it around the front of Ganesha in a clockwise manner. Om Bhurvuvasvah Shri Mahagणपते आरातिक्यम समर्पयामि. Take some water, move it over the arti and throw it away. If you have put in a shankha shell coach at the time of puja filled with water, then move it over the side of the Lord Ganesha. Sprinkle the shankha water over yourself around and put the shankha back in its place. Pradakshina. Move your folded hands clockwise in front of Lord Ganesha. Say, Yani kani cha papani janmantar krutani cha tani sarvani nashyanti pradakshina pade pade. Om bhurvuvasvah Shri Mahagणपते pradakshinam samarpayami. Mantra pushpanjali. Final offering to Lord Ganesha. Prarthayet. Om Vigneshwaraya Varadaya Surapriyaya Lambodharaya Sakalaya Jagadhitaya Nagananaya Shrutiyagna Vibhushitaya Gauri Sutaya Gananath Namo Namaste. भक्तार्तिनाशनपराय गणेश्वराय सर्वेश्वराय सुखदाय सुरेश्वराय विद्याधराय विकटाय च वामनाय भक्तप्रसन्नवरदाय नमो नमस्ते. नमस्ते ब्रह्मरूपाय विष्णुरूपाय ते नमः. नमस्ते रुद्ररूपाय करिरूपाय ते नमः. विश्वरूपस्वरूपाय नमस्ते ब्रह्मचारिणे भक्तप्रियाय देवाय नमस्तुभ्यं विनायक. लंबोदर नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा. ओम भूर्भुवस्वः श्री महागणपते नमः. प्रार्थना पूर्वक नमस्कारान् समर्पयामि. Now hold water in a spoon or achmani and say Anaya Pujaya Shri Mahagणपति Priyatam Namama. Om Tassat. To get specific desired fruit from Lord Ganesha, recite Ganapati Atharva Shirsham and offering Durva for all 11 or 21 times. Thereby you will get the fruit and the krupa and the bestow of Lord Ganesha. Atha kalashasthapanam gatasthapanam. In Navratri puja there are 3 pitchers. We have to keep one medium size copper pitcher. It is called a Tramano Loto, copper pot. In Gujarati we say gagro or small gadu. In this ghata kalasha, water is kept for puja purposes. This kalasha is placed or worshipped in the beginning. This kalasha is the first requirement while the puja material is arranged and kept. Second ghata pot may be either of clay or metal like copper. This ghata is to be established on the first day of Navratri. The puja or the worship or the sthapana is called Ghatastapana. which is considered to be auspicious, and detailed puja or worship of this ghata is to be performed properly and systematically. This ghata is to be worshipped all the 9 days with Panchopachara puja, five-fold puja, that is Panchandana, Akshata, Pushpa, Dhupa, Deepa and Prarthana. Or this may vary a bit. On the top of this kalasha, ghata, a coconut is to be placed and over the kantha